In this video, we are going to talk about some ultra engaging types of video that you can use in your content to level up your views, level up the people that are watching your stuff, sharing your stuff, and just overall having more fun with the video content that you produce. A great way to do that and incorporate fun is through vlogs. So you can do vlogs. If it's boring just sitting on your table and it's the same shot the whole way through, like people are gonna tune out. Switch it up, go walk around the street, bring the camera with you to a restaurant. Just tell your raw story as you go through the day. That's what vlogs are cool for. You don't have to worry so much about the high production value. You can just get out there and have fun. Another cool thing that's coming out is Instagram stories. I mean, it's been out. If you guys haven't seen Instagram stories yet, like get with the picture, right? So Instagram stories are amazing. You can get out there and really have fun playing inside of the app. You can take a picture and then you can wipe color away. You can have rainbow colored text. You can have little emojis pop up on the screen. There's a lot of like really interesting ways to tell a unique story. That's a great way to just kind of like get out there and produce some super engaging content that people can talk about. It's native on the platform. It's full screen immersive. It's a great way to just do something a little different. And also if you're doing ads, Instagram stories is an amazing place to do ads. It's a lot cheaper than Facebook. There's a lot less competition because it's still so new. Check it out. And then some other ideas, you can do a culture video. If you have a particularly interesting story to tell, maybe you get your coffee beans from a special place and you want to celebrate that particular part of your company's story. It can be heartwarming and emotional. Another thing you can do is an interview. Find people in your niche or people in your industry, get out and interview them. People that your customers would want to hear, like maybe their origin story. And now we're gonna ramp through this. You can do some webinars, you can do some product demos, you can do a seminar. You could also do a tutorial video, explainer video. And if you're in B2B, you can do a case study. Do a case study with the customer that's using your product. If you're a B2C, do a testimonial video. Mash up a bunch of different testimonial videos and you have something really cool. And finally, you can do a game show. If you have a live trivia or something like, a live game show, people are commenting, people are leaving notes, it involves the audience and it's super engaging. I hope that's some great ideas for you to get out there and start producing some cool video content that people are gonna share, people are gonna talk about. So if you enjoyed this video, make sure you subscribe, leave a comment, let us know if there's a type of video that you want to hear about, and we'll make it for you.